Hey, welcome to Gargoyles Den Diecast. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing video of some stuff that I picked up at the thrift store. See what we got. Alright, that's nice. Need some rear riders on it, but other than that, it's pretty nice. I like that. Hey, Star Wars casting. It's in almost perfect condition. Put that on my shelf. And we don't need any Mario Brothers stuff. And got a couple of those. Got a couple of governors. Had one of these. I don't know if I still have it or not. It doesn't matter. Bicycles. Oh, I don't think I've ever had one of these. But new every day. Alright. I'm in there. Well, there you know that one out. That one and that one. Here's how you play with those. What is this? RD10? Whatever that's supposed to mean. This is an old Chevelle. Yep, 1970 Chevelle. It's actually not in bad shape. It'll probably get customized. Hey, another Mustang. That'll definitely get customized. Ooh. I think I'll give that one to the grandson. That one I've had before. It's okay. This is supposed to be. It doesn't say. It's just got a number on the bottom of it. I have to look it up. This is the one that I bought that bag for, because yeah, I like these rims that are on there. They're different. It doesn't say treasure hunt or anything on it, so I'm assuming it's not a treasure hunt because these aren't rubber roll riders. They're just cool looking rims. I like them. They're going to come off that, I'm sure, and go on something else. And grandson can play with the ambulance. Let's save the airplane for last. This big bag. It's only got a few diecast in it. The rest will be going to grandkids. Little toy box. There's no things to get rid of those guys. What is this? Our giant rocket. Don't know I'll ever use it for anything, but you never know. Alright. Formula F1 car. Kinda cheap, cheesy car. He loves helicopters, so let him play with that. Of course, he loves ambulances. He loves monster trucks. Hey, a cheap knockoff transformer. It's missing pieces. That will go in the garbage. This is from one of those train sets, I think. It has magnetics on it. He's got some of those somewhere. Here's a Cars car. He loves cars. Yeah, this is going to him, it looks like. That one. I bought it for more for these. I used to like these when I was younger. These are really good for customizing and stuff. What is this? Oh. Yeah, it's interesting. I think I'm going to keep that one. That's going to become a gasoline conversion at some point. So, hey, there's the parts to the other car, but yeah, it's busted off, so it doesn't matter. Still one in the other. Hey, monocular. Better car for him, and two little ones for me. Like this one. It's nice. This one's so-so. I'll turn them into drifters or something. Just over there. Alright. And last but not least, oh, I have two of these rights. Alright. Last but not least, we got some planes. It looks like most of these are military planes, and the bag's kind of heavy, so I'm assuming most of them are at least partially metal. Hopefully, don't break any colors off on you. There's really tossed in the bag. If they're going to break, they probably already are, so it doesn't matter. And that's a nice little assortment of planes. Got the canopy, got the canopies. All of them have their canopies. Looks like they all have their propellers. That's a miracle in itself. This has got bombs on the bottom of them. They're all there. They're actually pretty nice. P-38 Lightning. What's this one? B-24 Liberator. Okay. And P-47 Thunderbolt. Planes are actually in really good shape. I like them. And Flying Fortress P-17. And last but not least, well, as far as military ones go, a Tornado. And of course, you got American Airlines, which, yeah, that might get painted into something. I got a name for it. All right, that's it. Until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.